Alright, this is closer to a real world problem, which I think is one of the reasons why we do maths applications, and one of its great value, but it does involve a fair amount of calculations and thinking. So let's start by reading the question carefully, and as we gain an understanding of the question, we're going to sketch our understanding. So we have a sports ground that's 140 metres long, 50 metres wide, and has semicircular ends. So let's see if we can draw that. So we've got sports ground with semicircular ends. Now, the length is 140 metres and the width is 50 metres. Now, a fence is to be erected all the way around with 4 gates, each 2 metres wide. The gates cost $150 each and the fencing costs $45 per metre. Calculate the cost of fencing the ground correct to the nearest dollar. So there's a couple of things there. I think first of all we need the total perimeter of the shape. So I'll just write that down, total perimeter of the ground, and then I think we need to subtract those gates so we can do the cost of the fence and the cost of the gates and add them together. So let's start by trying to find the total perimeter of the ground. So first of all, what I think we need to do is divide this perimeter into sections. I'm just going to do another little dotted line there. How do we work out what the length of the two straight lines are? So in particular, I'm looking at that length there and that length there. Now, because we're told that these two ends are semicircles, if we go halfway, so half of that 50 metre distance, and look at that point there, we know we have 25 metres, and that is the radius of the semicircle. So likewise, that distance there is 25 metres, and importantly for this first bit,